Hi, Brittany here with Vibrant Rose Digital Solutions. I just wanted to say thank you for letting me take the time to go overhead and do this video for you. I don't want to take up too much of your time, and then at the end of this video, if you could possibly give me some feedback, it would be greatly appreciated. So the things I want to quickly go over with you today are content, backlinks, and citations. So content is going to be made up of anything on your front page here. Any wording that you use, photos that you use, how those photos are saved and what's behind those photos are all a part of your content. Now, Google likes to see about 1,500 to 2,000 words of content on a homepage. Within that, you want to be able to add keywords that you want your business to be found for. So a keyword is anything that someone might type into Google looking for a particular service or product. And into your content, you can place these keywords to tell Google exactly what terms you want your website to be found for. So that way you can start to rank for different things that people are searching for, which is something that will be a big help. Now, I did input your information into a tool that we use here called Ahrefs. And what this is going to do is it's going to give me the analytics of your website. So the first thing that we see here is the trust and the strength with Google. This is on a scale of 100. So when you build these up, you want to make sure we try to keep them as even as possible. Now, the next thing I want to go over is those keywords like we were talking about. There are 0 keywords on your page that you are ranking for at this moment. And then the next thing I want to go over is backlinks. So you have 43 backlinks from one referring domain. Now, what a backlink is anywhere you find one website linking to another website. So these links act like an endorsement of your website from others, which Google then uses to build trust in your business by seeing others vouching for you. Now, not all of these links are the same. The links are definitely not created equal. Some links are more spammy and some are more authoritative. You really want to go after the links that are more authoritative that will bring power to your website. And in a minute, I'll be able to show you comparison to a different website that I looked up. Now, the idea is to be able to get you ranking organically on Google. So with your type of business, I don't think you're going to want to stay in one specific area. You don't have one specific service area. So we're going to have to definitely find buyer intent keywords that's going to get you ranking on Google in multiple places. So I put in like the word streetwear earlier. I saw that on yours. So the idea is to be able to get you ranking into things like this, especially in your area, but also online as well. Now, I did pull up a competitor's website here, just looking at what they were doing, and I was able to put their analytics in as well. So, with that, as you can see here, their strength and their trust, they have it a little bit higher. They got quite a bit of backlinks and keywords. So what we're able to do is see what backlinks they're using, what keywords they're using, and what we want to do is we want to be able to try to utilize what they're using and what will work for your website. Now, we also want to be able to try to find stronger, better ones if they have some things that are more spammy. Now, another thing you want to make sure you're doing is on your Google business profile, they give you an About Us section, which then you have 750 words to go over what your business is. You want to make sure you utilize all 750 words, make sure everything's completely filled out, and then we also want to place keywords within that section as well. And also make sure you're very responsive to any of your reviews, any messages that you get. Make sure you're posting weekly branded posts, geolocated photos on your social media. That's all going to help with your relevance of your website. Now, another important thing is citations. This is where your business name, address, and phone number are in things like Yellow Pages, Yelp, Better Business Bureau. And what that's going to do is giving out your information to as many people as possible is going to increase that relevance with your website as well. So again, I just want to say thank you for letting me make this quick video. I hope it does help out. You're able to use any of these tips and tricks to help out your website. If you ever do need any more information, I will be adding my phone number and my email to the message that I'm going to send you. So feel free to reach out, call, text, email, whatever works best for you. And once again, thank you so much for your time. I really appreciate it.